tongxuemen. Today we will learn a vocabulary from lesson 5. Let's get started. Number 1, sui. Sui. That means years old. So look at example number 1. 我5岁. 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 That means I am 5 years old. Here 5 means 5. Look at example number 2. 他3岁. 他3岁. So this is the character for C. San here means 3. So here means years old. That means C is 3 years old. Number 2, 多大. 多大. That means how old. Look at example number 1. 你多大. 你多大. So this is a question to ask your age. That means how old are you? 你多大. So if you are 10 years old, you can say 我10岁. Or if you are 5 years old, you can say 我5岁. If you are 20 years old, you can say 我20岁. So this is the question and this is the way to answer. Look at example number 2. 他多大. 他多大. So here 他, so this is a character for he. 他多大, that means how old is he. So we can say that means how old is he. So if he is 30 years old, we can say 他30岁. If he is 15 years old, you can say 他15岁. Number 3, 也. That means also or too. So you look at example number 1. 我也喜欢猫. 我也喜欢猫. 我 means I, 也 here means also or too. 喜欢 means to like, 猫 means cat. That means I also like cat. 我也喜欢猫. Look at example number 2. 他也去学校. 他也去学校. Here 他, this is a character for C. 他也去学校. Here 去, this is a verb. That means to go. 学校, that means school. So the whole sentence means she also goes to school. 她也去学校. Number 4, 爷爷. That means grandfather. Look at example number 1. 爷爷喜欢喝茶. 爷爷喜欢喝茶. Here 爷爷 means grandfather. 喜欢 means to like. 喝 here, that means to drink. So this is a verb. And 茶 here means tea. 爷爷喜欢喝茶. 爷爷喜欢喝茶. That means grandfather likes to drink tea. Look at example number 2. 我爱我的爷爷. 我爱我的爷爷. 我 means I. Here I here means love. 我的 means my. 爷爷 means grandfather. So the whole sentence means I love my grandfather. 我爱我的爷爷. You can also say 我爱我的奶奶. That means 奶奶 means grandmother. 我爱我的奶奶. That means I love my grandmother. Number 5, 奶奶 Nai nai, that means grandmother. Example number 1. 奶奶也喜欢喝茶。奶奶也喜欢喝茶. We just learned ye, that means also or to. 喜欢 means to like. 喝 here means to drink. And cha here means tea. So the whole sentence means grandmother also likes to drink tea. 奶奶也喜欢喝茶. Look at example number 2. 我爱我的奶奶。我爱我的奶奶。我 means I. Here I means love. 我的 here means my. 奶奶 means grandmother. 我爱我的奶奶. That means I love my grandmother. Number 6. 您 so that means you, but it is in respected form. So ni also means you, but if you have to say in more respected way, you can say you have to use nin. Example number 1. 您好. 您好, that means hello, but it is in much respectful. Example number 2. 谢谢您. 谢谢您, that means thank you. Number 7. 秘密. 秘密, that means secret. Now look at example number 1. 这是一个秘密. 这是一个秘密. 这是 here means this is. 一个 here means one. 秘密 means secret. 这是一个秘密, that means this is a secret. 这是一个秘密. Example number 2. 新秘密. 新秘密. Here, 新, that means new. 秘密 means secret. That means new secret. 新秘密. tongxuemen, that's all for today's lesson. I hope you like this video.